Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. Alright, and today is September 24th, which is the day a lot of us have been waiting for since the announcement of the iPhone 13 lineup. Okay, and I have in my hand here the blue iPhone 12, as you can see right here. This is the regular 12, is not a Pro. As you can see the camera here, they're diagonal right here. It's not like the older ones that are vertical. Alright, and you can feel like the texture on the box here, like it's engraved on the box. It's not just printed, so that looks really nice. You can see the color of the phone, the name and the Apple logo matches the color of the phone that's in the box. But before we open the box, this is a 128 gigabytes. They no longer make the base storage at 64. Okay, so that's a good thing if you're looking to get an iPhone and the storage was a problem for you. This one will fix it. Okay, and it's the same starting price as the ones that were 64 gigabytes. So without boring you too much with the talking, let's get into the unboxing. So first off, as you can look, it's not your typical iPhone box with the plastic on here where you have to remove a plastic. There's no more plastics on the box. It just has these wraps in the back here where you rip these apart here, one at the top, one at the bottom. I'm gonna cover this here with the IMEI and stuff at the back. As you can see, iPhone 13 designed by Apple California. Okay, so let's go into the box, and here we have it. Let's see how close that looks to the one on the box. In the actual phone looks way better. Look at that. Lenses are bigger. Oh man, this is probably the size of the lenses that are on the 12 Pro Max, the 12 Pro Max that I had before, and the rings that go around the lenses here pretty much look the same. It's pretty close to the Pacific Blue on the iPhone 12 Pro Max that I had before. So let's open the box. See, you have your regular stuff here, your SIM eject tool, regular iPhone papers. No one reads this. And you get an Apple sticker, which is white. For some reason, I'm not sure why they don't make the stickers the same color as the phone, so you could put it on something with the matching color, or snap it on a computer or something that you want to snap it on with the different color, different from white, you know. But beggars have no choice. It's free. Alright, so let's put this back, and as you can see, this is a new style, no charging brick. Alright, so we gotta get used to that. As you can see, we just have the USB-C to lightning cable here, and pretty much that's what's inside the box. Okay, and we have the phone. You have the power button on the right side. We have, this is the 5G antenna right here. Okay, and we have the squared off edges, looks really nice. Phone's pretty light. I know they're saying the 13 is a little bit heavier than the 12, but I wouldn't know because I've never had a 12 before. But it feels pretty solid, and you have your SIM tray right here, your volume up and down, and your typical silent switch here on the side. Alright, and let's strip this paper off nice and slow. Look at that beautiful AMOLED screen, and you can see the notch is way smaller than it used to be. You're probably not gonna see it, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just power this phone on a little bit so the screen lights up, so you can see the real estate, extra real estate that you have on the side of the notch right here. And as you can see, it just looks like it's slightly longer going downwards in the screen. Yeah, so hello, that's it. Alright, so let's swipe to it's giving you in different languages. Let's swipe to open, and there we have it. English. I'm not gonna do a setup. I just wanted you to see the size of the notch here, that it's been reduced, and the bezels are really nice, not too thick, and you can see the blue highlighted around the rim of the phone. Okay, so this is the blue version of the iPhone 13, and I'm gonna have, this is my mom's phone to be specific. I'm gonna have the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in graphite. So if you want to see that video, just hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so you can get notified as soon as that video drops. Okay, so basically that's the end of the video. It's just a quick unboxing so you can see the color of the phone, the way it looks, if you're in the market trying to get one and you wanted to see firsthand before you buy it. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy this video. Please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on for the other colors that I have coming on the channel. I'm gonna unbox a few other colors, so stay tuned for that. All right, peace.